This is the second fifth grade word problem for the week of November 21st. On a family vacation, Stephanie took 726 photographs. Her brother Robert took 3 times as many photos as Stephanie. How many photos did Stephanie and Robert take together? Okay, so I'm going to read this through again. I'm going to look for what information they're giving me and then what they're asking me to do with that information. On a family vacation, Stephanie took 726 photographs. Her brother Robert took 3 times as many photos as Stephanie. How many photos did Stephanie and Robert take together? Okay, so my question is, how many photos did Stephanie and Robert take together? So my answer statement would be Stephanie and Robert took photos together. Okay, so let me see what they're giving us. Stephanie took 726 photographs. Her brother Robert took 3 times as many photos as Stephanie. So they're not telling me Robert's, the amount that he took. So the first thing I have to do is I'm going to make myself a bar model to represent the problem. And we're looking for photos, the total photographs that they took. Okay, and so I'm going to put an S for Stephanie and R for Robert. Now they do give me that Stephanie took 726. So I'm just going to put this here. Those are the photos that she took. And they also do tell me that Robert took 3 times as many. So what I can do with that 726 is I can do 3 726 boxes on my bar for Robert. Okay, this is 3 times as many as Stephanie's. So now I have this representation to show what I need to find out. I need to find out the total amount of pictures that they took. Well, if I see that there's a 726 here and there's 3 of them here, I could either do repeated addition or multiply them. And I know that you guys know how to multiply 3-digit by 1-digit, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the area model. I'm not counting my boxes or anything here. I'm just making a rectangle. I do have this nice graph paper, so if I wanted to make it precise and, you know, 1 digit per box, I could do that. But I need to find, I'm going to write that right here, I need to find 726 times 4. That's what I need to find. So I'm going to break apart this 726 using expanded form. So I'm going to do 700 plus 20 plus 6. Okay, and just as a reminder, just as a review, the reason I did that is this 7's value is 700, the 2's value is 20, and the 6 is 6. And wherever I put a plus, that's where I separate my columns. And because I only have 1 digit, I only have to put the 4 on the side. I'm only going to need 1 row. Okay, you would have as many rows as you do digits. So I'm first finding 700 times 4. To do that, I think of 7 times 4. And I know 7 times 4 is 28. But I didn't actually multiply. I'm not actually multiplying 7 ones times 4 ones. I'm doing 7 hundredths times 4 ones. So my answer would be 2,800. I have to add those 2 zeros. My next equation is 20 times 4. Again, columns times rows. So I have 2 times 4 is 8. And because this is 20 and not 2, I put the 0 in, because 20 times 4 is 80. And my last partial product, 6 times 4 is 24. So I have to take all these partial products. Remember, they're part of the whole product. That's why they're called partial products. And I'm going to add them up over here. 2800, 80, 24. So I have 0, 0, and 4 is 4, 8, and 2 is 10. So 10 tens is 100. That's why I put a 0 here and a 1 here. Okay, I put that 1 in the hundreds, because 10 tens is 100. 8 and 1 is 9 and 2. So let me go back to my answer statement. Stephanie and Robert took 2,904 photos together. Okay, and I always double check to make sure I wrote my answer properly, 2,904, and I did, so I am done with that problem.